I'm on my very first alpine lake hike this year. I didn't think it would be this warm, but that makes it perfect to go up earlier in the year. So it shouldn't be too long till we get to our destination up ahead. We made it. And look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. That is some low water, my friends. Look at that. We're gonna open up our brand new 1/4 ounce Jake's Gold Spinner, and of course put the trash in my pocket. I noticed some people have left their trash along the sides here. Not cool. There she is, the domino. I do love the domino. We'll see how the fish like it. I did see one jump. All right, here goes cast number 1. And I already saw a bite, or not a bite, a rise over there. Actually, I see a few rises over there still. The deeper the better, the further out the better, in my opinion. Oh, we already got one. First cast, on the camera, first cast. Looks like a rainbow, baby. I think today's gonna be a good day. It's a little one. Yeah, oh, it's not too bad. What is it, 12 inches or so? Wet the hands. There it is, rainbow. First of the day. Let's put the rainbow back. Kind of coax him back into life. There it goes. First cast. And this is the second cast. First cast was a success already. Casting to where I see some rises. Okay, I just had a chaser. I lost my Jake's spin lure. I don't know what happened. It snapped off as I cast it. I searched behind me and I searched in front of me and to the sides and couldn't find it, so I switched to this Blue Fox rainbow pattern spinner and just saw what I think was a grayling. I could be wrong. I don't know if there's a grayling in here, but it definitely had a chaser. And he stopped about 10 feet in front of me and stared, realizing that there's a human at the end of that food. Oh, did we lose him? Yeah. So first cast with a fly on is a black woolly bugger with a red bead head. Had 2 fish follow it in. I didn't think I'd see a fish clear down here, but there he is. You see him? Look at him power through that. Wow, this is incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I've never seen the likes of this before, where you can just, wow. That's incredible. It's a Bonneville cutthroat. So here was the, you can kind of see the cutthroat markings here. Got a gash on his noggin. Let's release him.